Hi everyone, we are InsightRx. My name is Serge, and we are building a cloud platform for precision dosing and clinical analytics. Now, our journey as a startup began about a couple of years ago while I was getting my PhD over at UCSF. During my third year, a clinical pharmacist by the name of Janelle approached my lab and myself with a problem. Now, she needed help dosing a particular drug called busulfan, a highly toxic chemotherapeutic that's used to treat children who have leukemia. It's an effective drug, but the problem with busulfan is that it's very difficult to dose. It has what's called a narrow therapeutic index. Basically, if you dose too high, young cancer patients suffer from veno-occlusive disease, and if you dose too low, efficacy isn't achieved. So we were approached because we're experts in mathematical modeling and pharmacology, as well as software engineering. A perfect combination for Janelle, because what she wanted for us to do is develop an easy-to-use digital app that would make busulfan dosing more precise and personalized. Personalized is important because a one-size-fits-all treatment approach just does not work. Drug selection, dose selection is complex, and proper consideration has to be made on the individual patient: genomics, demographics, clinical characteristics. So we address this need at UCSF, and the solution generally works as follows. Information is pulled from the electronic medical record, applied to a mathematical model and algorithm, and a precise dose is delivered to the practitioner at the point of care. The cool part about the technology is that it learns. As more information is gathered about the patient, like an added drug level, the system quantifies the patient-drug interaction, uses that information to deliver an even more optimal dose for that patient over time. So this is widely well accepted by the clinical community at UCSF, by pharmacists and clinicians, to the point where they wanted for us to expand the platform to several other drugs. We currently have 12. And they also wanted to include us in a large 50-center study that's happening in 2016, where 50 medical centers will be using our product for precision dosing, a great distribution opportunity for us moving forward. And it's not just busulfan. The need, the opportunity to improve dosing decisions in healthcare is quite large. More than 55% of drugs fail to work, and much of this is due to what's called ADEs, or adverse drug events. Thankfully, precision medicine's on the horizon to address this problem. But the optimal practice of precision medicine in the near future will use advanced systems like ours to deliver the right drug at the right dose required for the right patient. And that's what we do. We leverage clinical lab values, patient information, and provide a precise dose at the point of care. We're available as a web app, a mobile app, and we're also integrated directly into the workflow via an HL7 info button. We provide true value to the healthcare system, improving patient outcomes, reducing the incidence of adverse drug events, and improving cost savings in a healthcare system moving towards value-based therapy. Now, our business model is to sell directly to the Department of Pharmacy, and our primary point of contact is the Department Director of Pharmacy. We are charging based on a monthly subscription, based on the number of users, as well as the number of modules the institution would like to purchase. At Insight, we are very excited to be at the frontier of precision medicine, starting off really with low-hanging fruit, which is precision dosing of complex drugs, a huge need. Thank you very much.